We have some devastating storms on the way. I don't know if they'll hit us. Lately, all the storms have been missing us, but there's an osprey right there. Here they come. Devastating storms. I mean, look at these. They're supercells. And we are under a warning. Wow, it's really coming in here. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and close the garage and go to the front door. Just in that short 30 seconds that I went inside, went from the garage to here, it went from barely raining to a downpour, so I think it's just about here now. We'll see whether or not it's severe. I don't think this wind is severe yet. Well, I wouldn't want to be in that airplane right about now. Not sure if you can hear that airplane. He's flying incredibly low. This is a mess. Go from 104 degrees to hailstorms. That's Texas in a nutshell. That's just vintage Texas right there. From shit weather to shit weather. Just one form of shit weather after another. A lot of lightning with these storms, you guys. And here we go. I'm gonna have to go get the flashlight. It's that dark out here. And I swear it's probably only 5 o'clock. Be right back. Look at my plants, man. And I'm doing this for free right now. I'm standing out here in a severe thunderstorm for free. Amazing. Wow, his tree branch came down. He lost a huge tree branch. I don't know if I caught that on video. That's the second time he's lost a branch while he's on vacation. This dude's gonna come back and have half a tree. He's gonna be like, what the hell happened? Flattened. Jesus. I'm gonna go to the backyard. Catching too much water right here. Look at that. We got a lot more trees back here. Wow! Jesus Christ! What the hell just happened? That was 80 miles an hour. That was 80-mile-per-hour gust right there. Here comes another one. That tree branch broke right there. That was wicked. That branch is broke. I'm surprised that whole tree didn't come down. That storm's here now. If we're gonna get any hail, it'll be soon. Boy, that turtle's just having a hell of a time. She doesn't mind the rain at all. I bet she likes it. Now there's 2 turtles up on the ramp. This is some kind of rain we're getting, man. Look at these sage plants, they're split in the middle. Wow, man, that thing went flying. I can't believe that. I can't believe that thing went flying.